Cats and dogs are close friends to each family. However, did you know how long a cat or a dog can live with us? In this video, we will be learning about the longevity of animals that are familiar to us. Cats. Cats is an animal that is close to so many people. Therefore, their longevity is a problem that many owners care. It depends on each condition and different living conditions that the cats may have different longevity. Usually it's hard to tell how long can a cat live for. According to some research about life cycle of animals, average cat can live from 12 to 19 years. This is the highest maximum age compared to other domestic animals. A world record about cats' longevity was 32 years, which was the ability to live the longest of a cat. It can live up to 32 years. Dogs is a good friend and a loyal pal of us. The longevity of dogs is usually high. It can go up to over 10 years. The longevity of a normal dog would be from 5 to 10 years. Some even can go up to 10 to 13 years. However, it depends on the breed, the living environment, and health condition that the longevity of dogs may vary. For example, Poodle is a lovely, cute dog, has its origin from Western Europe. Their longevity is usually 12 to 15 years. Alaska may live from 12 to 16 years, and a German Shepherd dog can live from 9 to 13 years. Horse. The average longevity of a horse is from 20 to 30 years. The climate is also an important factor. Horses that live in warm regions can live 10 years longer compared to horses that live in the northern areas. Average wild horse live from 15 to 20 years. Many horses can be 30 years old, much longer compared to the oldest dogs or cats. In reality, they may live even longer than 30 years if they are taken good care of.